The ZigZag indicator with labels is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MT4 and MT5 and run it on the charts. Traders can also study this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to pay attention to the comments section. Enable the DLL imports option, and then click the confirm button. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it starts drawing zigzag lines. The way the indicator works is based on pivot points and price reversal points, which are indicated for us in the settings section, with major pivot areas marked with a capital M and minor pivot areas with a lowercase m. In the input section, there are options available for us, where the first part relates to display settings. The indicator has a dedicated theme or template that consists of 3 different parts: dark theme, light theme, and auto. By selecting the dark theme, a dark template is applied to the chart. By choosing the light theme, a light template is selected, which is the template that is applied to my chart. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profitable candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. The next section relates to the general settings of the indicator. The first section relates to settings, the number of candles that the indicator will display. The next part concerns the calculation type settings, which can be based on zigzag or candles, and in this section we can change its settings. The next part relates to the settings for showing or not showing the zigzag base, which is by default set to true or active, and I will deactivate it here. I choose dark for the indicator. Here the base has been removed for me, and the theme of my chart has changed. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and thoughts with us in the comments section.